Good morning, Ho Chi Minh. Kakagising lang natin and today, we will run. Wala kaming specific destination or specific distance or time na target. Ang gusto lang namin is tumakbo and maybe explore Ho Chi Minh a bit. So, samahan nyo kami. Barado pa rin yung ilong natin pero tara. Game. 1K. Hindi, joke lang guys. Naka-start lang namin. And itong tinatakbuhan namin is around the Independence Palace. So, ito siya. And to be honest guys, wala masyado kaming nakitang parang pwedeng takbuhan. Kasi the parks here are filled with people. So that's good actually. Pero ayun nga, for the runners naman, wala silang masyadong matakbuhan. Kumbaga itong mga limited spaces lang, like yung mga ganito, around some areas yung pwede nyo takbuhan. Right now we're running at a really easy pace, 8:30 to 8:25. So siya yung nagpe-pace natin today. Hello. Dito na tayo sa Independence Palace. What we'll do afterwards siguro, kasi hindi natin alam. Maybe we'll have coffee. I don't know yet. Tingnan nyo guys, yung maganda talaga dito is maraming puno. So it's really relaxing. And makikita nyo sa side namin, is puro motor na. Another con dito, no, is maraming stoplights. So if you're trying your personal best dito, tinatamad kayo mag-pause, is baka mahirapan kayo. Where do you wanna go? Here, 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 here. There you go. Okay, kamusta?
Okay naman.
Okay, pwede na. We're just gonna cross the street. Let's explore. Dito naman tayo. This seems to be a bigger park. Tara.
Ang game.
Okay.
Go muna ka na.
No, I'm gonna wait for you. Dahil asawa kita.
Hindi ako makakonsentrate sa run. Ay, ito yung ano. Nakita ko sa isang vlog. Ito na kayo.
So, alamin namin yung name ng park nito. But I think this is a good place to run, no? You can definitely do some speed workout here. But there's a lot of people, so mag-iit lang kayo. Easy runs would be preferable dito. So, ito guys.
Nasa Baguio na kami guys.
Parang Baguio lang din. Tapos kung papansin nyo, so punta doon sa Damansyon. Okay, pahinga ka lang. Okay, now we're back to running. Good job, good job. Okay, 3K ba lang? Push for 3K. 3. So yun guys, tapos na yung 3K natin, no? Good job pacing. Ginagawa ko dyan. 8:42 per kilometer. I'm just proud na nakatakbo na yung asawa ko. Although we wanted to run more than 3K, no? Ang hirap lang kasi maganap nung parang tatakbuhan. I mean, the sidewalks are really narrow, tapos may mga dumadaan pang mga motor. So I deemed it not safe to wander around, no? Tapos for stoplight, you need to wait for traffic to ease a bit bago ka tumawid. So if you want to run here in Ho Chi Minh, pwede nga dito sa Taudan Park.
Oo, spacious naman siya. At saka may engganyo kayong mag-run. Ang daming nag-exercise.
Yeah, tas Madaming puno, madaming mga nag-run din, no? Anong ano natin? Next goal natin?
Mag-breakfast.
Ay, mag-breakfast muna kami. Now we're here in Boneban. Ito, lagi namin itong nakikita sa mga recommendations sa TikTok. But we'll show you kung ano yung parang ina-offer nila. But usually people go here for breakfast. And yeah, mapakita ko sa inyo. Sarap ng protein, guys. Dito kami magde-dessert. Yes.
Just one? Two.
Here.
Matamis pa yun.
Lasang kape. And we're back. So yun guys, I think I pretty much said what I wanna say. This gave you an idea no kung saan pwedeng tumabo pag pumunta kayo ng Ho Chi Minh. And yeah, we're gonna just clean up, take a rest, and gala na ulit later. So yun lang guys.